While everyone is talking about artificial intelligence, another powerful technology is quietly growing in the background: quantum computing. It may still sound futuristic, but companies, research labs, cloud providers, and governments are already investing heavily in quantum technologies. And the most important point is this: you do not always need a PhD in physics to start building a career in this field. Quantum computing is a new way of processing information. Traditional computers use bits, 0 or 1. Quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits, which can represent more complex states. This makes quantum computing useful for problems that are extremely difficult for classical computers, such as advanced optimization, cryptography, materials science, and complex simulations. Several career paths are emerging in this space. A quantum software developer writes programs using tools like Qiskit or Cirq. A quantum solutions specialist helps businesses identify real-world use cases. A quantum machine learning engineer explores how quantum computing can support AI systems. If you already know Python, algorithms, or cloud computing, you already have a strong starting point. You do not need to master everything at once. Start with basics, understand quantum concepts, and then practice with small projects. Quantum computing is still in its early stage. That means lower competition and higher future potential for those who start now. If you want to explore emerging technologies early, this is one of the most promising areas. Follow Uplatz for more updates in technology career. Or visit our website at uplatz.com to enroll in any of our courses across different technology.